एलईडी नुस्तेमारी आड फिशरीज मिनिस्टर पालेकरान स्ट्रॉंग भूमिका घेतल्या। एलईडी नुस्तेमारी बंद करपा खातीर सगळ्या कोस्टल राज्यांचे नुस्तेमारी मंत्र्यांची बसका घेवपाचो विचार चल्ला। पालेकरान केंद्रीय नुस्तेमारी खात्याचे जॉयंट सेक्रेटरी कडेन व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्सिंग करून प्लान थारायला।
पारंपारीक नुस्तेमारी आनी नुस्तेमार साल्वार जातले जाल्यार एलईडी नुस्तेमारी बंद करची पडटली म्हूण फिशरीज मिनिस्टर पालेकराची भूमिका। ताणें केंद्रीय नुस्तेमारी खात्याच्या जॉयंट सेक्रेटरी कडेन व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्सिंग केले। सगळ्या राज्यांनी हे विशीं समान धोरण घेतल्या शिवाय एलईडी नुस्तेमारीचेर उपाय शक्य ना।
कोस्टल स्टेटीचे मिनिस्टर आसात इतक्या फिशरीज मिनिस्टरांची एक मिटींग घेवन हे एलईडी बॅन कशें करपाचें हाचेर विस्तृत चर्चा जावंक जाय आनी त्या चर्चेंतल्यान कितें निष्पन्न जाता तें पळोवंक जाय। आमी सक्त आसा एलईडी फिशींग बॅन करपाक आनी हे खंयच्याय परिस्थितीन आमी बॅन करतले, कित्याक जर हे बॅन जायना जाल्यार जे पारंपारीक मच्छीमार आसा ते सफर जातले आनी हे आमच्यान पळोवं नजो म्हणून। आनी दुसरें म्हणजे एलईडी फिशिंगान फ्युचराक जे फिशींग तयार जाता तें फिशींग बंद पडटा आनी एक वेळ अशी परिस्थिती येतली की समुद्र फिशलेस जातलो, ती परिस्थिती आमचेर येवंक फावना म्हणून हे प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स घेवपाची गरज आसा।
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी।
म्हापसा अर्बनाक संकटांतल्यान भायर काडपाक तारण प्रॉपर्टी पावणेक काडपाच्यो नाजाल्यार बँकेच्यो मालमत्ता विकपाच्यो म्हूण बँकेन रिझर्व्ह बँकेक गाराणें घालां। एनपीए 26 कोटीर पावल्यात। अर्थीक तंटे ओटीएसा वरवीं सेटल करूनय पयसो उबो करूं येता। ताकाय आरबीआयचो बावटो जाय, नाजाल्यार बँकेचें विलिनीकरण वा ती क्रेडीट सोसायटी करची पडटली म्हूण चेअरमॅन खलप मिडिया कडेन उलयलो। बँकेचेर सध्या आरबीआयन निर्बंध घाल्यात।
Against about 3 crores a few years back.
It was 3 crores, you see?
Yeah.
Few years back.
No, a few years back, about 7-8 years back, we were hardly around 3 crores.
Correct.
So these features are being looked into by us very seriously. Mahapsar Urban Cooperative Bank also has been considering various options. One option, as I said, the request is pending with the RBI, is to allow us to monetize our assets. Number 2, to allow us to sell our properties which we are holding on account of non-performing assets, as non-performing assets. Thirdly, large number of cases are pending in court. We have requested the Reserve Bank to allow us to, to enter into some sort of a compromise and one-time settlement so that this money also is recovered at the earliest. My bank, for example, say earlier around 20-25 crores are pumped in, we get out of the thing. So we have shown that either do that. Of course, we don't expect it from government equity or the government, state government, and allow us to liquidate our assets, which are worth about 60 crores.
आरबीआयन आयकले ना जाल्यार बँकेचे विलिनीकरण वा ती क्रेडीट सोसायटी करपाचो आनी एक पर्याय बँके मुखार आसा।
The other alternative is to explore marriage of this bank with some other good bank, cooperative or some sort of this. And third is convert this bank into a credit cooperative society, so that the harsh requirements of Reserve Bank, Banking Regulation Act are not applicable to urban cooperatives, to credit societies. Now, similar actions have been taken by the Reserve Bank in other cases. And some banks in Maharashtra, Karnataka and elsewhere have been allowed to come out of the purview of the RBI and enter into the credit cooperative sector. Some have been allowed to merge and amalgamate with other banks. and some have been allowed to augment their capital and take such other steps as are feasible and possible.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.
एनडीएन बिहारचो राज्यपाल रामनाथ कोविंदाक राष्ट्रपती पदाचो उमेदवार म्हूण डिक्लेअर केल्या उपरांत काँग्रेसी सयत दाव्या पक्षांनी मेळून मीरा कुमाराक ओपोजिशनाची कॅन्डिडेट म्हूण ब्रेस्तारा डिक्लेअर केली. बसकेक ओपोजिशनाच्यो काँग्रेस, एसपी, बीएसपी, आरजेडी धरून 17 पार्टी आशिल्ल्यो. शुक्रारा उमेदवारी अर्ज भरपाचो निमाणो दीस. मात तेलंगणाचे टीआरएस आनी नितीश कुमाराच्या संयुक्त जनता दलान एनडीएच्या कोविंदाक तेंको दिल्ल्यान ओपोजिशनाचें गणित हालना.
Has been selected unanimously by one and all the 17 political parties who met here today in the afternoon and have unanimously proposed the name of Shri Meera Kumar ji for the forthcoming Rashtrapati election. Shrimati Meera Kumar is the illustrious daughter of illustrious leader, great leader Babu Jagjeevan Ram, who has been a freedom fighter, a crusader for social justice, and also the Deputy Prime Minister. She has done senior Cambridge.
Give a break.